Hey, this is Surya from GrandSlamFunnels.com, and today we'll be talking about the backend system of a webinar funnel, especially in Keap. So with that said, let's get right into it. So this is a webinar funnel that we have built a couple of days back, and I want to share with you what happens when someone submits a form here. Whenever someone puts their details and clicks join the free training, what happens on the backend. So this is how the backend looks like for a generic webinar funnel, specifically in Keap. No matter what Keap plan you are in, you can build this structure. So this is a form that we will actually take and integrate on ClickFunnels side. So this is going to be our main trigger. So this form is very simple. It has the field name and the name. Again, the same fields that we have right here. And if you are adding any phone or any other contact records that you want to capture details of, you have to have them here as well. And if you want to customize that, we can definitely talk about that. So whenever someone submits this form, we'll be adding them to a tag. A tag can be as generic as new lead. Again, since this is demo account, I just added a new lead. Whenever someone is added with this new lead tag, so this triggers multiple flows. The very first flow that it triggers is the delivery sequence. Consider this sequence as whenever someone submits for a lead capture, like a free PDF, a free report. So I'm considering that as a same flow, and I'm going to deliver them the webinar to their email as well, not considering that they are going to sit and watch the webinar forever, right? So I'm going to send a quick reminder saying that, hey, in 30 minutes, hey, here is your webinar, email 1. After 4 hours, I'll say that, hey, did you get to watch the webinar again? Simple, nothing complicated. So that is the very first touch point that happens on the backend. Whenever someone submits, whenever someone is added with the same tag, new lead, I'm also going to trigger a follow-up sequence. Again, if you know, in general, 93% of the people are not going to buy or opt in or schedule a call with whatever you have on the webinar. So only 3% are going to take action, which means that you have to have follow-up funnels or follow-up sequences in place to make sure that they can go back and watch the webinar like 3 days from now, 4 days from now, just sending them a reminder. So that is what the sequence is all about. So after 6 hours, since we have the delivery sequence set up for like first 4 hours, I'm going to start the sequence for after 6 hours. Someone is tagged with a new lead and they go through a certain structure, certain emails, like 7 to 8 emails, nurturing them over the next few days. And also at the same time, I'm also going to add another tag going that notify sales team. Just because you're sending emails doesn't mean that they are going to open the emails or they're going to take action whatever you want them to, or they are in a rush. So I do not want to assume that they would take action. That's why I would notify the sales team so that they can also have another touch point. So if in 2023, you need to have minimum of 7 to 8 touch points before someone buys anything from you. So definitely have a sales team informed. So whenever someone is added with this tag, a notification is sent to a sales team, either in Slack, Monday, whatever platform that you're using. We can create this API setup to make sure that the sales team is notified and sales team actually can take action and start calling people right then and there. That is the whole intent of having this tag. And as people are going through the sequence, there can be a possibility that people are actually buying whatever you have. And when people actually bought something that you already have, you do not want them to still go through the sequence, right? It would be like it would not make any sense. As soon as people buy the offer that you have, I'm going to remove them from this campaign by saying that, hey, stop immediately after they have achieved the goal. And the goal is purchase. Whenever they purchase this product, and the product can be as simple as I created a demo product. So whenever someone purchases this demo product, remove from the follow-up sequence so that they can only go through the post-purchase sequence. And the post-purchase sequence can have multiple things, setting a value saying that, hey, this person actually purchased this product. And also we can add a new customer tag. So this lets us identify who are the customers from the leads. And also you can send them a delivery purchase email. Again, it's not set up yet. So one of the things that you can do is like have a delivery sequence. And also, if you have a members area in, for example, in Thinkific or in Kajabi, whatever the platform that you have your members area on, you can set a HTTP call so that you can actually grant them access without manually adding them every single time. So this is how a simple backend funnel would look like. So if you want a custom funnel build, like simple webinar funnel, including the backend, taking care of writing the emails, helping you with the webinar slides if needed, go to GrandSlamFunnels.com and you'll be able to schedule a call with us right then and there. Cool. Have a wonderful day.